Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This two-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Jeep has less than 111,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, and tow hooks. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.